directly into our WordPress website. So I'll go ahead and close this old tab. Now, before we talk about the web creation process, let me first introduce you all to some of the general settings. Now over here under users, let's click on profile. Now here you can adjust the color scheme of your websites. So we can use blue or midnights or all these colors. I think midnight's good, right? It's just easier on the eye, right? I do like that. And scrolling down, let's say that you forgot your password, right? So right here under new password, I'll click on set new password, and then you can create a new password right here. Once you do that, you will then scroll to the bottom and click on update profile. Okay, so now we saved our new password. Let's go ahead now and click on dashboard. All right, so let's get started. Now, before we add a theme, let me quickly get you comfortable with the backend of WordPress. Now here you'll see post. Anytime you make a post on your website, they'll all be displayed right here. You can see this is just a demo post, so we can just go ahead and click on trash and delete this post. Next over here, we have pages. All the pages on your website will be displayed right here. Since this is a brand new installation of WordPress, we don't really have any pages. So this right here, we can also just go ahead and trash this as well. Next, we have plugins. So over here, I'll click on installed plugin. Now, before we jump into plugins, let me explain what a WordPress plugin really is. Next, what is a WordPress plugin? WordPress is the #1 CMS in the world, mainly due to the plugin market. There are more than 50,000 plugins available for you to use in the WordPress ecosystem. A WordPress plugin adds extra functionality to your WordPress websites. For example, if you want to integrate a contact form, you can install a plugin to generate a contact form. There's also plugins for integrating e-commerce functionality and also SEO plugins for optimizing your website for the Google search results. Think of a WordPress plugin like apps for your smartphone. Any type of functionality you want to add, you can simply download it to your WordPress website. All the plugins are free with WordPress and offer a pro version available on the developers' websites. Feel free to explore plugins to see what kind of functionality you want to add for your WordPress website. Now think of plugins like applications for your websites. So right here, I'll click on add plugin. Now there is virtually a plugin for everything with WordPress. This right here is a page builder. This is an SEO plugin. Contact Form 7 is a contact form, and WooCommerce, this integrates e-commerce functionality. So we'll come back to plugins a little bit later. Let's now show you how to install a WordPress theme. Over here under appearance, let's click on themes. Now these are the default themes that come with WordPress, but we can always add more. So right here, I'll click on add theme. Now let me quickly go ahead and explain what a WordPress theme is and what does it do for your websites. Every website with WordPress requires a WordPress theme. Think of a WordPress theme like a shell of your websites. It's what makes your website look unique and gives it a specific style. A WordPress theme controls various parts of your website like the header, the footer, the blog page, and the shop page of your websites. A WordPress theme does not create the content of your actual website, but is more of an outside shell for the page builders to add all the content within your websites. Each of these WordPress themes are free to use and offer a limited amount of features, but are still generous for what they offer. Each WordPress theme has a pro version which you can upgrade through their websites, and the pricing varies between themes. Feel free to explore themes and see which one works best for your websites. So WordPress themes essentially control